Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add your education on the LinkedIn app using your phone. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to update their professional profile. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. After that, choose the option called Name, Location, Industry. Scroll down until you find the Education section. Next, click on Add New Education to start entering your details. Enter the name of your school, the degree you earned, your field of study, and the start and end dates. Make sure all the information is accurate to represent your educational background correctly. Finally, click the Save button to update your profile with the new education information. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips.